Good day, children. Today we will read chapter 5 Learning to Fly. Learning to fly is a part of the story of Peter Pan and Wendy. It is a very famous story. In this story, Peter Pan is a young mischievous boy who lives in Neverland with pirates, fairies, and mermaids. Peter Pan often comes on the earth to meet children. So, in this story, Peter comes to Wendy's house. And who is Wendy? Wendy is a girl to whom he teaches how to fly. So, Peter Pan in this story teaches Wendy and her brother Michael and John to fly. He comes at night. When he comes, that time Peter listens to the story and he says to Wendy, "Oh Wendy, your mother was telling you such a lovely story." Which story was it? About the prince who couldn't find the lady who wore the glass slipper. Then Wendy tells him, this is the story of Cinderella. You must have listened this story. Then Peter, after listening the story, he started flying from the floor. And Wendy asked him, "Where are you going?" He says, "To tell the other boys the story which he has listened." He says that I am going to tell this story to other boys. Then she says, "Don't go, Peter." And she says that I know lots of such stories. Then Peter came back and he also wants to listen so many stories. Then he says to Wendy that I can teach you how to fly, because Wendy tells him that I cannot fly. So he says, I'll teach you how to fly. And Wendy, she exclaimed enthusiastically. What is the meaning of enthusiastically? Jeel, Josh. And then Wendy says him that my two younger brother will also want to fly. So he says, okay, I will teach John and Michael also. So he tells them to fly, but they couldn't fly because they were ordinary children. They were not magical. So then Peter, in Peter's hands, in one of his hand, there was a fairy dust. It was blown on him. So fortunately, one of his hands was messy with it. with the fairy dust. And he blew some on each of them with the most superb result. Because they were ordinary children, so they tried so many times but they couldn't fly. So he blew the flow, he blew the fairy dust on them. Now, children again, they start to fly. So, first of all, Michael shows his gallant. Gallant means bravery. He flew and when he reaches in mid-air, he screamed that I flew. And then again, Wendy also tries. She also started flying in the air, up and down and round and round. Then Wendy said to them, it is heavenly. After that, John also cried in a joy that why shouldn't we go all out? Why shouldn't we all go out? Michael was ready. He wanted to see how long it took him to do 1,000,000,000 miles because Michael is a young boy, so he was ready. But Wendy is a girl, so a little bit she hesitated. Then Peter again tempted them. He says, mermaids. And also he says, and there are pirates also. Then after listening this, pirates? John cried in a loud voice. So, then all of these four, they just move out from the window. And it was just at this moment that Mr. and Mrs. Darling, who is Mr. and Mrs. Darling? Mr. and Mrs. Darling are their parents. They came hurriedly. They ran into the middle of the street to look up at the nursery window. So they came outside in the nursery window, at the nursery window. And the room was ablaze with light. What is the meaning of ablaze? Blaze means bright, full of bright light. They see the figures of their children in night attire, and they are circling round and round, not on the floor but in the air. And of course Peter is also with them. In a tremble, they opened the street door. Mrs. Darling starts running upstairs. Mr. Darling, he starts running upstairs. But Mrs. Darling signed him to go softly. But she says, you just go softly. When they both reach the nursery, their children are not there. Then they open the window. And the smallest one, who is the smallest one? Smallest one is John. He says, "Look out, Peter." Then Peter knew that there was not a moment to lose. Then they fly high in the sky. They all four. And Mr. and Mrs. Darling, they rush into the room, rush into the nursery, but they are too late because all the four birds are flown. So children, this story is written by Sir James Matthew Barrie. He was a Scottish novelist and playwright who writes the plays. Barrie started writing stories like Peter Pan or The Boy Who Wouldn't Grow Up while making a story about adventures. Basically, John Matthew stories are based on adventures with pirates and sailing to different islands to entertain children. Children, this is a summary of this story. To understand the story better, please read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you. Have a nice day.